Okay, so let us now do the map of North America. So this one here is Canada. This is USA, that is United States of America. And this is USA mainland because a part of USA is here as well, which is Alaska. This one is Mexico. And now we will do the Caribbean countries. This one here is Guatemala. This one is El Salvador. The capital of this country is San Salvador. I mean, mostly. I'm not sure, but I think it is San Salvador. This is Nicaragua. This is Costa Rica. I think the capital is San Jose, but again, I'm not sure. This is Panama or Panama, as some might say. This one here is Belize or Belize. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is Honduras. Okay. This is Cuba. And north of Cuba, we have island country which is Bahamas, the Bahamas. It is somewhere here only. This one here is Jamaica. This one is Haiti. This is Dominican Republic. This is Puerto Rico. I think the capital of Puerto Rico is San Jose or of Costa Rica. I'm really not sure. So let us not discuss about that here. Then we have this is South American country Colombia, and this is Venezuela. Okay, so I think, yeah, this one here is Greenland. Mostly subjects, like it is an autonomous country and it governs on most of the subjects, but the subjects like foreign affairs and defense are under Denmark, which is a European country. This is Iceland. Okay, this is Iceland. So I think we are roughly done with the countries. We can discuss water bodies now. Okay. Okay, before proceeding with the water bodies, I would like to discuss one more thing. There's this thing called West Indies, and recently I came to know about it, like what exactly West Indies is. Earlier, I used to think of it as a country, but West Indies, it consists of three island groups. That is Greater Antilles, I should thicken it, Lesser Antilles, and the Bahamas. Greater Antilles consist of the countries like Cuba, Jamaica, and one island which is Hispaniola. It consists of countries like Haiti and Dominican Republic, and another country is Puerto Rico. Lesser Antilles, it consists of eight island countries. First is Barbados. Second one is Antigua and Barbuda. Third one is this is Dominica. Then Grenada. Fifth one is Saint Lucia. Sixth one is Saint Vincent and Grenadines. Seventh one is Saint Kitts and Nevis. And the last one is Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but this is what I say. So, the Bahamas, as we discussed, it is here. The Greater Antilles, the Greater Antilles is this one group, and the Lesser Antilles are somewhere here. So, this is what West Indies consist of. Now, let us move to the water bodies. We will do the water bodies in red. This one is Bering Sea. This one is Beaufort Sea. This one is Bering Strait. This one, like this one here, is Bering Strait, right? This one is Bristol Bay. Bristol Bay. This is Gulf of Alaska. Okay, before that, let me tell you this one is Arctic Ocean. I think everyone knows this, but for much clarity, we need to know. This is Arctic Ocean. This one is Pacific Ocean. And this one is um, Atlantic Ocean. Okay. This one here on the border of USA and Canada, we have Hecate, if this is how to pronounce it correctly. Hecate Bay, I think this is. This one here is Sebastian Vizcaino Bay. This is Gulf of California. This one here is Coronado Bay. This one is Caribbean Sea. This one is Gulf of Honduras. This is Gulf of Mexico. This is Florida Strait. This is Chesapeake Bay. This is Bay of Fundy. This is Gulf of St. Lawrence. Okay. This is Labrador Sea. This one is Denmark Stay Strait. This is Baffin Bay. Okay, I think I'm not sure, but I think somewhere here we have Frobisher Bay, but I'm not sure if it is here or here. It might be here as well or here. I'm not really sure, but what I'm sure is that something is here. So let us just mark it doubt one. I might clarify this thing in comments. This one is Ongawa Bay, and I think Frobisher Bay is here. This one is something else, but Frobisher Bay is here. For to ensure that it is Frobisher Bay, and for further clarity, let us mark this one as doubt 2. I will clarify this thing in comments again. This one is Hudson Bay. This is Hudson Bay. This one is Hudson Strait. This one is Baffin Island. And this one here is Gulf of Boothia. How do I write this? Gulf of Boothia. Um, this one here is Fox Channel. And we had something McClure Strait here as well. And there's Davis Strait as well, somewhere here. Davis Strait. I think we are done with almost everything. I will clarify doubt 1 and doubt 2 in the comments. And I think that's all about it.